everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're unboxing my December sipsby box. So sipsby is my monthly tea subscription. If you have not seen my past unboxings or are unfamiliar with sipsby, like I said, it's a tea subscription, it's monthly delivery. It is $15 per month. You get between 15 and 16 different teas every month, and they're based on a profile. So when you sign up, you fill out a profile, let them know what types of teas you like, and they go through like all the flavors. So if there's something you don't like or you really love, you can let them know. You can let them know if you prefer like caffeinated or non-caffeinated. It really is personalized just for you. I do have a promo code to share with you guys. It's not affiliated, it's just for your benefit to save $5 off your first box, so it'd be just $10. The box always looks like this, which I think is just so adorable. Open it. This is what it looks like. It says, enjoy your teas. There's like some little cards on top. It looks like there is, oh nice, a $15 gift card. So you can try your first box for free. That is amazing. So you get one free month. So that's awesome. They provide this. I will put this down below. So you visit sipsby.com/mygift, and at checkout you put sip together. So never mind, I will leave my code too just in case this expires or something. It doesn't say on here, but yeah, try your first month free. That's awesome. I love that they provide it. But yeah, definitely use this over Kitty's boxes, the promo code. That's great. So again, this will all be down below. And there's another note here that says, sip together. We're so grateful for the community of tea lovers we're building here, and we want to spread the love. Share this gift card with a friend who hasn't tried sipsby yet, and they'll receive their first box for free. Well, I just shared it with all of you guys, so yeah, enjoy. Definitely try it for free. And then here it says December teas. So this is the card, and it says made for Kitty. Again, it's personalized. And there's a little note here. It says, 'tis the month of cheer, Kitty. We hope you sip these teas while doing something you love, like spending time with friends and family or reflecting on all the good things that happened this year. Share a pic of your sipsby box to enter to win a free month. Use hashtag sipsbybox and tag sipsby and the brands below in your caption. And then it lists the 4 different teas. So each month you get teas from 4 different companies, and it gives a little bit of information, talks about the caffeine content, and it also gives you promo codes for each tea. So I'll share those as we go along, but if you want any of these promo codes, just leave a comment down below and I'd be happy to share. And then here are all our teas. So let's start with this one. Let's see, several. So there are 4 in here. This is by Revolution. This is Dragon Eye Oolong tea. Is that how you say that? My friend used to own a tea shop, and I asked them what their favorite tea was, and they said it was oolong. So I'm really excited to try because I have a big collection of teas now, like from this box. I've been drinking some, but I don't think I have this, so this is exciting for me. This is antioxidant rich, full leaf flavor, 1 flow through infuser bag. And then it gives steeping directions on the back. And let's see what it says on here. So, Dragon Eye Oolong Tea, Sipsby Revolution Tea. So 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water. This says medium caffeine. It says, this begins with the finest quality oolong tea available. This smooth, well-rounded elixir blends smoky Chinese oolong with safflower, peach, and apricots. Sounds really good. And there's a code for 10% off below. So again, we have 4 of these. Super excited to try it. And then it looks like we have just our standard Earl Grey tea in here, which I'm always happy to receive more. I like Earl Grey. This is by Ahmad Tea. We have 4 of them here. So this is a black tea, and these generally have high caffeine. Let's see what it says. Yep. So Earl Grey, sipped by Ahmad Tea, high caffeine. Ahmad Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. Enjoy this posh best-selling blend. And then there is a code for 20% off and free shipping. I'm always happy to get more of this, like I said. Ooh, next up is, we have 4 packets here by Tips and Teas. This is organic matcha tea infusions. This is matcha blueberry. I talk about this every time I get it, but I really enjoy matcha, so I'm super excited. And I really like blueberry too. I don't know if I ever had matcha blueberry together. That sounds good. On the back it says, a refreshing take on a traditional delight. Tipson's organic matcha tea with natural blueberry is a delicious beverage ideal to be enjoyed at any time of day. Packed with antioxidants, this high quality organic matcha green tea is a delicious superfood right in your teacup. And it says, this has medium caffeine. It says, enjoy the flavor of juicy blueberries along with invigorating matcha green tea. This blend provides an energy and mental boost without the side effects of excessive caffeine. And there's a code here for 20% off. Ooh, I might have to have this one first now. I don't know. And then last but not least, we have 4 packets here. So we have 16 teas total this month. This is Republic Chai, the Republic of Tea Traveler's Black Tea Bag. Ooh, I like how these bags look. And on the back it says, enjoy this environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. And it says, there's a quote here, it says, tea is wealth itself. There is nothing that cannot be lost between the first sip and the last, the Minister of Leaves. So this has high caffeine. I like caffeine, you can tell. I told them I prefer caffeinated teas, and that's pretty much all I get. I sometimes will receive, like, every now and then one that is non-caffeinated, which is fine by me. But anyways, it says, rich imperial spices combine with northern Indian black tea leaves to create a hearty, flavorful cup. Delicious when prepared traditionally, simmered with water, milk, and honey. Sounds so good. I always love the teas we get. This is really exciting. I think, like I said, I'm gonna have first probably the matcha blueberry, because matcha just always like calls my name, and I especially like that for the afternoon. Like they said, you don't really get like that like caffeine buzz, but you still get that like focus and mental clarity with matcha, and I totally agree, and I can't wait to try it. And then there's just like a little card in here that gives you more information about Ahmad tea. So another great month by Sipsby. Again, you can try it for free if you want. So thanks Sipsby for providing that. I think they probably have this code in all of their boxes this month, so that is great. So again, I'll leave all the information down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.